Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Amazon Seller app not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly you need to make sure that you're running latest version of it. Now to check, head over to the Play Store and there search for Amazon Seller. Now, if you're using the latest version, then you can see open button instead of opted button. But if you can see opted button, then you should simply tap on it and get the latest version of it. Now if this doesn't solve your problem, then head over to the second solution. Now for the second solution, you need to clear cache from your app. Now for that, head over to the settings panel on your device. Once you get into the settings panel, scroll a bit down and search for apps, and from there search for Amazon Seller. Once you get into it, tap on clear data option and again tap on clear cache option. After that, it should solve your problem. Now if still didn't work, then you have to reinstall the app. Now to reinstall the app, firstly you need to remove the app from your device. To remove the app, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove. Now once your app get removed from your device, head over to the Play Store and there search for Amazon Seller. Now you need to tap on install button to install the app. Now once your app get installed, it will definitely fix the problem. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.